So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be an update video on the 93 Chevy Blazer here. The last video what we did was we put the brake lines in. So they're so far so good. They're not leaking or anything, so that's good. The power steering pump we did in the first part video, I believe, that's perfectly fine. It works fine. I topped it off yesterday. No leaks on that either, so that's good. So the next project we're gonna be doing with it is probably just doing body work on here, getting this all out. Also, just what we're gonna be doing with this temporarily is I'm gonna sand this down. I'm gonna body putty it for now. Body putty just so it stops growing and stuff. And then after I get a TIG welder, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out a piece of this, and we're gonna weld a whole new piece of metal into here. So that'd be the next project for this. We're probably doing that sometime this week. Probably I'll probably just go out here and just sand it down and put the putty in, and then, you know, be good to go. And then we'll just spray paint it with an engine enamel, you know, just get a nice glossy, nothing perfect, but, you know, just something to protect the truck from rotting anymore. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just please go down below, hit the like. So guys, this was just a quick update video. Please go down below, hit the like button on this video. Comment down below, you guys will see on the channel and see what this truck. And also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.